Are you an Arlington homeowner wondering what's happening with the housing market and how the value of your home may be affected? Are you hoping to buy a home in Arlington and wondering what's happening with prices and interest rates and whether there are more homes available now or more of a chance for negotiations? I'm Elizabeth Bouchard, a longtime local realtor and was born and raised in Arlington. After a slowdown and slight price depreciation in the fall of 2022 due to the rapid increase in interest rates hitting above 7% in November, the new year and lower rates have brought out buyers in droves for the few homes that are available. Prices are rising again, although at a moderate rate. Stay tuned for the statistics for the first quarter of 2023, or skip ahead to the summary and see what might be ahead for the future. In March of 2023, there were 296 active listings, down 2.63% from March of 2022, when there were 304 active listings on the market. In March of 2023, there were 280 new listings, down 39.78% from March of 2022, when there were 465 new listings. In the first quarter of 2023, there were 444 sold homes, down 34.32% from the first quarter of 2022, when there were 676 sold homes. In the first quarter of 2023, the average sales price to list price ratio was 98.1%, down 2.04% from the first quarter of 2022, when it was 100.1%. The median sales price for all homes in the first quarter of 2023 was $647,500, up 1.49% from the median sales price in the first quarter of 2022, when it was $638,000. The average sales price in the first quarter of 2023 was $817,982, up 4.12% from the average sales price in the first quarter of 2022, when it was $785,578. For detached single-family homes, the average sales price in the first quarter of 2023 was $1,339,957, up 3.25% from the first quarter of 2022, when it was $1,297,816. The units sold of detached single-family homes in the first quarter of 2023 was 444, down 34.32% from the first quarter of 2022, when it was 676. For attached townhomes and condominiums, the average sales price in the first quarter of 2023 was $535,246, down 7.14% from the first quarter of 2022, when it was $576,414. The units sold in attached townhomes and condominiums in the first quarter of 2023 was 288, down 40% from the first quarter of 2022, when there were 480 sales of attached townhomes and condominiums. The average number of days on market in the first quarter of 2023 was 35 days, up 12.9% from the first quarter of 2022, when the average days on market was 31 days. The number of months supply in March of 2023 was 1.5 months, down 6.25% from March of 2022, when there were 1.6 months supply of homes. In summary, the market had slowed down in the late fall of 2022 due to interest rates peaking over 7% in November and the holidays approaching. But pent-up demand has created a lot of activity in the new year when rates started coming down. It is still a seller's market with high demand and low inventory. Many existing homeowners are reluctant to sell because they bought or refinanced with much lower rates than what they could get if they bought today. Those that need to move are often choosing to keep their home as an investment property rather than sell it. Today's buyer is looking for a move-in ready home, not a fixer-upper. Your home needs to be in top condition and priced right to sell quickly and for top dollar. Home inspection and appraisal contingencies and seller concessions may be possible for a buyer if the home hasn't sold with multiple offers in the first few days. So what's ahead for the future? While other parts of the country may see a moderate drop in prices this year, the experts are predicting Arlington to see moderate price appreciation. If there is a recession, which seems likely, and history repeats itself, we'll also see a drop in mortgage rates, which have historically come down during recessions. That could drive up demand for housing even further as buyers want to take advantage of the lower rates while they can. Inventory is expected to continue to be low as homeowners who were able to buy or refinance during the historically low rates of 21 and 22 will be reluctant to sell. If you want to discuss the local market further and see how it may impact you as a homeowner or a potential home buyer, reach out to me and let's connect.